Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Call of Duty World War II Cartridge loop bots, I guess you could call it. Loot crate slash loot bots, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you can pick this up at Walmart for about 30 bucks. $30, $29.99, you know, something around that price range. Walmart. Now this was kind of like when Call of Duty was first coming out. Well, maybe a little past Call of Duty, the World War II. You know, it's like close to the Christmas time-ish, I would say. And I was like, oh man, I gotta grab this because, you know, Christmas time is gonna be exclusive at Walmart. You know, they're not gonna have any, but turns out Walmart still has them. There's 4 different kinds to collect. There's Call of Duty World War II, there's the Mario theme one, the Legend of Zelda one, and then there's the NES one. So there's 4 different cartridge-ish loot crate boxes. So yeah. Now these are not from Loot Crate, they're not from the 1-Up bots. They're nothing like from those kinds, which, you know what, it's a shame. We don't really hear anything about the 1-Up bots anymore. Whatever happened to the 1-Up bots? Now it's just, you know, the Loot Crate boxes or like Loot Crate snafu boxes and stuff. I mean, the 1-Up bots actually had some pretty good stuff in it at the time. But yeah, like I said, this is by all means not 1-Up bots or not even a Loot Crate bots. It's made by Cartridge, and it's kind of something in between a Loot Crate and 1-Up bots. So I mean, the stuff that you get in here is probably like, yeah, 1-Up bots, but the price range is about a Loot Crate price range. So yeah. Now this box is all made out of cardboard. So yeah. So what do you get in here? Actually, you know what? Let me take this off because the shining is just blurring the camera. So let me just peel this off. There we go. So that makes it a little bit easier to see on camera, but there you go. So you get an art print, really small little, not even a poster, I would say. It's just a really small little piece of paper. A wallet. It's kind of like a bifold wallet, but instead of folding like, you know, a traditional bifold wallet, it folds like a butt. No, really, I'm not kidding. I'm saying it folds like a butt. It's a bifold wallet, but instead of folding up like a regular traditional bifold wallet, it folds up kind of like a butt. Really weird. You get some dog tags, which I've seen some other people do reviews of this, and the dog tags, they're garbage. They are cheap. If you thought the dog tags that came in the Call of Duty World War II Strategy Guide Collector's Edition box was a piece of garbage and really chintzy and cheap piece of metally tin, these are even worse. You get a canteen with insulated case, kind of like what came with that one, but only difference is the other one, it kind of had like a little holster to put on your belt. This one doesn't. Journal with pen and fold away backpack. So yeah, as you can see here, Activision Cartridge, built by Cartridge. So Cartridge is the company who decided to throw all this stuff together to put in the spots here. Now the dog tags I have, but I put them up because they're in my Call of Duty dog tag collection from, you know, the Call of Duty endowment program when they used to have the endowment dog tags and stuff. So yeah, I'm not going to dig those out. I will go ahead and later on dig out the little canteen to show you the comparison. So you just open it up like that. Again, like I said, built by Cartridge. Which this one's actually kind of weird because it has 2 Cautionfly cards in here. What was that? But yeah. 50% off your first order at Cautionfly. So it's the same thing on both of them. So I will put the link down below to cautionfly.com and to Walmart if it's on the Walmart website. But usually you could just walk into Walmart and go down to like the video game slash computer slash go down to like the video section. Just head down to the video game video section. You see them, they'll have like tons of them on the shelf. So first up, I guess we're looking at the journal here. So it kind of has this letter-ish S feel to it, but it's just going to be a faux letter. So you just undo it like that, open it up like this, and it does kind of have like somewhat of a felt on the inside, but a faux letter on the outside. So it's Call of Duty, World War II. Same thing with this little pocket book. Here's what the pages look like if you're wondering. And the book, when you run out of pages, all you gotta do is buy more pages and a little hard on camera here. But it's just like a weather binder. You fold down those little crafts on the top and bottom, all these little pieces open up, and ta-da, you could do that. So it's nothing like, one-time use. Oh no, I used it up and now I can't write any more stuff in there. Nope. But I will tell you this, open it up is easy. Trying to close these is a bit hard to close these wings. So what I just did a little bit off camera is open up easy, push here, they open up. To close it, I just had to squeeze the wings real carefully, trying to not pinch my fingers, okay? And then on here you see the little star logo symbol. So we'll just wrap that up. Something like this again. I think they did something like that. I don't know. We'll call it like that. Let's take a look at this backpack here. Call of Duty World War II, folding backpack says. Nice star logo, Call of Duty World War II. You could adjust it right here, but there's this little snap here, so. Okay, let's try to unsnap it. There we go. And then you could snap it up here, or there to fold it away. Nice little storage channel, I guess you'll call it. Let's kind of move this out of the way a bit there. So yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, the box that it comes in, this box is bigger than the backpack. Yeah, ain't that a joke? The box is bigger than the backpack. That's how small the backpack is. So that's what we see here. We just open it up. Then it says case reference, and then it has the nice little serial number there, which it's fake because it doesn't actually say that's the one, and the serial's like this is the 07222 2009. No, they just stamped on everyone's. Something that is nice is it does have a nice little drawstring on here. And this little drawstring, you could actually fold it over. So it kind of makes it into a little waterproof baby. If you're worried about water getting in from the top or from the sides, all you do is just fold this over, which is nice. It says that division down here. Here's kind of what the inside looks like, if you're wondering. And can the bait stand? Kind of. The bait could kind of stand, but then, do take note that it just came straight out of the box, so it's still going to have the full bent creases in it and stuff. And then you do have, which I think they actually did a pretty nice job, is On the backpack's little arms here, you know, they are fully adjustable, and they also have nice little pad in here for your bat. We compare it to the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 one that you get if you pre-order, and yeah, it's just a drawstring little backpack. So this one a little bit better quality. Now, if I were paying for this just by itself, you know, online or in a store, chances are I probably wouldn't buy it. If it was a little bit bigger, had some more pockets in the storage, maybe. And to close it, once in full backpack mode, you know, you just snap it like that. But yeah, for what you get in the box, not that bad for that backpack. Here's our pen. Oh, what do they call this? Yeah, just pen. Yep, you get a golden Call of Duty World War II pen. So let me open this up. What do I have to write with? Yeah. We'll try using that. A nice little pocket clip on here. I didn't notice this, but look, down the bottom, it actually has a little star on the bottom, which is cool. Now, I don't know why they went with like this kind of blast cover. I mean, if it was shaped kind of like a bullet, or, you know, something else, it would have been nice. It would have been nice if this little textured grip on here was made of rubber, so it would be a little bit comfier, more comfier.